Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial, and I am Jen Central Alcaide and I'm with
Ryan Federico.
and today we're gonna make a web page that display image with description. We're gonna use HTML and CSS. So first we're gonna open Node++ as our text editor. Then we're gonna create new file. Then we're gonna save the file as your file name, then .html. So first I'm gonna type the HTML tag, then HTML close, then gonna put header or head tag, then I'm gonna put body, and save. So this is our website. So on the body, I want to put header 1 or h1 for the name of our image. Then save, then refresh on the browser. Then we're gonna put image img src is equal to the name of the file, jpg, then close and save. And we're gonna put description, gonna use text area, and we're gonna put the closing, then we're gonna paste the description between the open text area and the closed text area. Then we're gonna refresh. We're gonna type form, so we'll go at the below of the image and refresh. The next one is I can able to put text here, so I'm gonna disable it by typing inside the open text area tag disable. Then save and refresh, and that's it. The next one is we're going to put the CSS cascade style sheet. So Ryan Christopher Federico will do it.
Style. Name. Style type equals to text CSS. Its closing tag. Inside of it, we'll put our image. We will resize our image and set its width to 500 pixels and its height to 200 pixels. Now we will edit our text area and set its width and height to 500 pixels and 200 pixels. We set its background color to gray and its font color to black. We'll also disable the resize by using resize, set it to none. We'll also put margin at the top. Set it to 10 pixels. Now we will center our image and its description by putting all of this into a single div. Ayan.
Yung main.
At ayan.
Code.
Ayan. We'll set its margin to auto to center it. Its width to 500 pixels and height to 400 pixels. And there it is.
So thank you for watching. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you.